What if I told you that stress, the very thing we try to avoid, might be the secret ingredient to your growth? That the pressure you feel before a big exam, a presentation, or a life decision isn't your enemy, but your teacher. We've been told stress is dangerous, that it breaks us, that it must be avoided at all costs. But what if, just what if, it's actually trying to make us stronger? Let's start with the truth most people never hear. Stress itself isn't bad. It's chronic, unmanaged, and unending stress that hurts us. But the right kind of stress, short, meaningful, challenging stress, that's where magic happens. Think about the gym. When you lift a heavy weight, your muscles literally tear. Tiny fibers break apart. But after rest, those same muscles rebuild, stronger than before. That's growth through stress. Your body adapts to pressure by becoming more resilient. Now imagine the same process happening in your mind. Every challenge, every failure, every moment of uncertainty, it's your brain's version of lifting weights. The more you face discomfort and recover from it, the stronger your mental muscles become. So why does stress feel so bad? Because your brain can't always tell the difference between a tiger chasing you and an email notification at midnight. Both trigger the same ancient response, the fight or flight reaction. Your heart races, your palms sweat, your body prepares to survive. In the wild, that system kept our ancestors alive. But in the modern world, where deadlines replace predators and social pressure replaces danger, that same system often goes into overdrive. We experience stress, but without the release, without the rest, and that's when it becomes toxic. But here's the paradox. The same stress response that can hurt you can also build you. It all depends on how you interpret it. When scientists studied people under stress, they found something fascinating. Those who believed stress was harmful suffered more, but those who believed stress could help them focus, grow, or learn showed better performance, better health, even lower mortality rates. In other words, it's not just stress itself that matters, it's the story you tell yourself about it. Let's take an example. Two students are preparing for an exam. Both feel the same racing heartbeat, the same anxiety. One says, "I'm so nervous I can't do this." The other says, "My body's giving me energy to perform." Same stress, different mindset. And the results? Night and day. This is what psychologists call eustress, the positive side of stress. It's the kind of stress that pushes you out of your comfort zone, but not into chaos. It's the stress that makes you grow. In fact, without stress, growth would be impossible. No challenge means no change. No pressure means no progress. Your brain and body need small doses of stress to adapt, to improve, to evolve. Even in nature, stress creates life. Trees that grow in strong wind develop deeper roots. Oysters under irritation create pearls. And humans, under challenge, build character. But here's the key: balance. Just like too much exercise breaks the body, too much stress breaks the mind. Growth happens not during stress, but after it, during recovery. That's why rest, reflection, and self-care aren't luxuries. They're part of the growth process. When you give your body rest, it rebuilds. When you give your mind stillness, it integrates lessons. When you reflect, your experiences turn into wisdom. So the next time you're stressed, stop and ask yourself, what if this isn't happening to me, but for me? What if this pressure is preparing me for something bigger? Stress isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign you're pushing your limits. And every time you push, those limits expand. Growth doesn't come from comfort. It comes from struggle, resilience, and recovery. It comes from facing the storm and realizing that you've become the storm. So don't fear stress. Understand it. Work with it. Transform it. Because somewhere between chaos and calm, between fear and focus, lies a powerful truth. The stress you feel today might be shaping the strength you'll need tomorrow. And that's the secret link between stress and growth.